spending on ads, posting on social media, but still not getting enough customers? Your website exists, but your business is invisible on Google. Every day, thousands of potential customers search for services on Google, and 90% of them choose businesses from the first page. If your website is not ranking there, your competitors are getting your customers. Meet Digital Guider, a trusted SEO growth partner. With 5,000 plus satisfied clients across the USA, 90% client retention rate, and experience managing online growth for 40 plus industries. We don't just promise rankings. We deliver real business growth. Written reviews can be fake, but real business owners sharing their success on video can't be. Digital Guider has 500 plus genuine video reviews from clients who achieved higher rankings, more traffic, and more customers. We help your website rank higher on Google search, improve your Google Maps visibility, and attract customers who are already searching for your services. This means more calls, more leads, and more sales. SEO is not just about traffic, it's about predictable business growth. If you want your business to be found first on Google, start growing with Digital Guider today. Book your free SEO growth consultation now.